Of the 5 elements that makes our body, water is up to 75%. Make your own mineral and vitamin-rich, alkaline wonder water for the best body performance. Simply add any of these to your filtered and preferably structured water. A sprig of mint, basil, cilantro. Add zing with slices of lemon, orange, pineapple, cucumber, apple, ginger, lavender. Infuse color with carrot, beet, wild blueberries, cherry or spirulina. Sip at room temperature or refrigerate. Make your own ice cubes for a post-workout hydration boost. Add a little palm jaggery, date syrup or clean honey to the water. Dial in the water revolution by choosing the best, the real thing for you and a shared home.